Welcome back, everybody. This is JP Trades. Let's do an update on Euro USD really quick, and let's see what's going on inside this range. This is a great asset to trade if you like to trade structure and SMC and use a lot of my concepts. It is one of my favorites. You can find so many ranges to trade on any time frame, so it's great for scalping, day trading, or even swing trading. So let's take a look at this 15-minute range. We have had a SFP here. We've had an SFP of this low here and here. Both ran to nice range rotations. Again, you had another SFP down to the equilibrium of this range and another internal SFP of these highs all the way down to another SFP of these lows all the way back up, and so on and so on. So you can see that even in just a 15-minute range, you can create tons of different trades, right? So let's go ahead and include our lowest of lows and highest of highs within inside this range. And now I'm looking to SFP this low into this order block here. Same thing, SFP this high, and we come back inside the range. However, we do have a nice order block right here. We do come back up in this area, plus VWAP is right here. I'm going to look for a confirmation at the zone. We might be getting this trade as we create this video. So as I'm talking, I'm going to be watching this. So what else beyond this range am I looking at? Let's go ahead and go back to the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, we see that this is actually just an SFP of these internal highs here. So this SFP could lead us down to a bigger retracement. I like this area because we have 3 order blocks that overlap right here into these naked points of control and naked VWAP. But let's take a look at our bigger range. Let's see where the golden pocket is. We do see the golden pocket right at this naked VWAP here. And the 786 aligns with this monthly as well as this order block down here. If we were to take it from this low, you do see your golden pocket right around that range as well. Sorry, right around this order block as well. So I do like this one. Let's do some volume pulls in this area. Nice point of control here, this order block. Going to take it from this low. Point of control is the same, even though the value area shifts. Going to take it from here. Almost the same area, just a little bit lower. Yeah, I really like this order block. This order block is going to be the order block to pay attention to. And let's go ahead and pull it back from here. It's working below this order, this point of control currently. And let's take the bigger pull from higher time frame low. So we're really just kind of floating around the higher time frame point of control right now. Let's take a look at our sessions. All right, so we're getting below the previous day's value right now. Looks like we had support there twice, and now we're starting to fall through it. So if we do lose this area, again, this is your value area. That was the day before this value area that we're falling out of now. So if we break below this low here, I want to see a short from this area, down to this area here. And this is going to be your long. Let's take a look at our TPO profiles. Same. We do have this value area low here in TPO that aligns really well with this refined order block here that I'm looking at next. Set your alert here. Set your alerts here and here before this area. Watch this area. This is the next area I want to see for a swing long. And of course, if this falls through, look at this area, then this area here. And those are going to be your swing long ideas. Let's get out of that there. Go back to the 4 hour. Again, if we do decide to continue this uptrend, so let's see here. So this low is really important that we're running into now on the 4 hour. This could be a 4 hour market structure shift. We've already SFP'd it once here. If we do break below this low, I'm looking for a short to take it lower. However, if we do just bounce from this order block here and take out the highs, I'm looking for a back test somewhere probably in this range, but we'll have to look at what market structure creates. Market structure will create us a new refined zone at some point. So I will update the charts when that happens. So again, on most assets, we're all looking for like a retracement. Everything, all the updates I'm doing today, we have taken highs and we're coming down. So we've SFP'd the highs here as well as these highs. So it's kind of like a double action SFP. And we're kind of looking for some retracement for an ultimate higher low, right? So set your alerts here, here, and here. Those are the three main zones that I would want to long. And for shorts, I would want to see another SFP of this high, or we SFP these highs into this order block, or just shallow tap into this order block here. And that's going to be all your trade setups on Euro USD. I will update y'all in the Discord as soon as we get more data on the charts.